I've assigned shortcuts to almost all my keys. So for Z is magnify, X is artistic media pen, C is cut. I place them according to how often I use them so that it's set up just for me with one stroke. For example, I select and then I press 2 for delete. I press S for undo and 3 is redo. To magnify, I press Z and so forth. I go up to Tools, to Options, select Options. This opens up, and over here you'll have Workspace, Document Global. Open up Workspace, then go down to Customization, open that up, and then press Commands. Then you'll see that it says File under Commands. So you open that and select All. Now, all my commands are here. So I scroll down, I look for the one I want to have a shortcut to. So here I'll pick pen. So then I go to the shortcut keys and I press in the shortcut key that I want. I'll just press U. So it's currently assigned to ungroup. So I'm going to select assign and assign it. Then I press OK. For another example of a keystroke that I use, I press W for fill, and then for the eyedropper, I press Q, and then I've got that right there. It's all very easy. Set it up however you want, the easiest way. You can do it with most of the keys.